Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to round corner images in Canva. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I've got this template from YouTube. I'm just going to customize it and I'm going to drag a rectangle image into this photo of this iPhone right here. So I'm just going to come over to uploads and you can see that I've got a WhatsApp image here. So I'm just going to drag it here and I'm going to try and fit it into this area. And as you can see, it's a rectangle. So I'm just going to kind of scale it so it tries and fits in this area just like this. And once I have that positioned correctly, now what I want to do is just click on this corner rounding tool. It's going to pop up with the corner rounding tool, and it's just as you slide it, you can see the corners go rounder and rounder. So now I'm just going to make this fit right here, and now I'm just going to drag it just like that. And that's it. And that's how you round corners for images in Canva. And like always, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.